Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have an unboxing for you. The Autumn Abundance September 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I am so excited about this kit. Stampin' Spot this month is Cajun Craze. Here's our stamp set. And I'm going to dig through the box here. Okay, here we can see what's in our stamp set much easier. So here is that adorable little snail, and look at, he's even got a little smile on his face. Here's his shell, and we have two very nice different shaped leaves with the veins, a branch, and then thinking of you, sending autumn wishes your way with thanks. Wonderful sentiments, and I just love this little guy. Here are the instructions for how to put it together. Of course, I don't ever follow the instructions. And we have the add-on, which I do have this, and this leaf die is wonderful. Our coordinating colors this month are Cajun Craze, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Night of Navy, Pecan Pie, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Berry Vanilla, and Wild Wheat. So lots of colors go with this kit. And we have mini dimensionals. Some Cajun Craze squares. Oh, look at these tiny envelopes. These are adorable. Love the distressed look here. And this pattern is just gorgeous. And then we have the large envelopes, and look at these leaves. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. And again, the distressed look on the inside of the envelope. Oh, these are adorable. Just adorable. And there's some foil on here. Kind of a copper or Cajun Craze color for the foil. Just beautiful. And of course, chop it in half and double the cards, or chop it up even more for more cards. And here are our die cuts, and there's that little snail. And we get 3 sheets of these. Then we have a giant stump. I wasn't too sure about this, but I like it. This will be fun to see what we can do with this. And we have large glue dots. And we have our labels for sentiments. So there's 4 of this shape and 4 of the fishtail style. And then we have more die cuts. So some coppery foil leaves. And then there's some stitching on these circles, and that's also copper foil. And copper accents on these little swags. And then some beautiful die cut leaves. And I love this little pop of blue in here for something different. As always, keep an eye out for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.